Starting off at number 5, we have spiciness. Korean cuisine is renowned for its heat, with spices and chili liberally used in numerous dishes. Take kimchi and bibimbap, for example. These staples are infused with fiery flavors that will make your taste buds dance. But beware, if you're not accustomed to spicy food, the heat can catch you off guard and may even cause discomfort. So when you're ordering, remember to gauge your spice tolerance. Next up at number 4, it's hot temperature. Korean cuisine is known for serving dishes piping hot, straight from the stove. Take, for example, the hot stone bowl bibimbap or the steaming soups that bubble right up to your table. It's part of the charm, but these high temperatures can also be a surprise for the uninitiated. It's not just about the spicy heat, but the actual heat, so don't rush in, give it a moment to cool. Moving on to number 3, we have fermented ingredients. Korean cuisine often incorporates fermented ingredients like kimchi and doenjang, a fermented soybean paste. These ingredients bring a unique, robust flavor to dishes, but it can be quite intense for those unaccustomed to it. The fermentation process enhances the taste, texture, and even health benefits of food. But remember, the flavor can be strong, so if you're not used to fermented foods, start with a small portion. At number 4, we have bones and seafood shells. When you're diving into the rich flavors of Korean cuisine, it's essential to be aware of the bones and shells that might be lurking in your dish. Many Korean meat dishes are prepared with the bones left in, adding depth to the flavor profile and enhancing the overall dining experience. But these bones can be a surprise to the unwary diner. Similarly, seafood dishes often incorporate shells, creating a textural contrast that's cherished in Korean cuisine. These shells, however, can pose a crunch that's more than what some might expect. So when you're savoring that spicy stir-fried octopus or tucking into a plate of grilled short ribs, remember to navigate your meal with caution. The last thing you want is an unexpected encounter with a bone or shell. And finally, at number 1, it's sodium content. Korean cuisine is renowned for its bold, rich flavors, and an integral part of this taste profile is the generous use of sauces like soy sauce and fermented fish sauce. These condiments can be a delicious addition to a dish, but they also bring with them a significant amount of sodium. Sodium is an essential mineral for our bodies, helping to regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. However, too much of it can lead to health issues such as high blood pressure and heart disease. So while enjoying the delightful flavors of Korean cuisine, it's essential to be mindful of your sodium intake. So there you have it, the top 5 things to watch out for when eating Korean food. Enjoy your meal.